So, today I am talking about the comfort zone is the worst addiction. Because why I am saying this thing? Because I realized that if you wanted to do anything and if you wanted to take any decision on risk, but you can't take, because that time you will think only like right now I am comfort zone. And a lot of people right now they are suffering this problem. And especially I met one person, so they say like yes sir, I wanted to do this, I wanted to go outside and their side I wanted to earn money, but they live and life in comfort zone because they have parents supporting, brothers supporting, and any person other supporting. That's why they are not able to do anything, but they realize daily in mind and in heart also that we should do anything, but they don't able to work. Because when they realize in the evening time, but the morning time they also comfort zone and get up late and then start working. And this is I think very bad thing. Any person they think like this is whole life pass. So don't think, because you can't pass whole life this way, like other in family person any support. So you will pass whole life, because that time only you realize that anyone support only limited time when they need. So that time you support also other thing. If you any other day and you will not any work listen and any do work which person your favor, so that time you realize that we should do work. And as well as your as will increase and you will grow up, that time you also realize sometime that I should have done anything on life. Because I think you are 80 to 24, 25. That is a very milestone, we can say very important. You have a lot of potential, and we can say you have a lot of thing also, and you can do which thing you wanna to do. So definitely and brain cell also very high, your thinking ability, physical creativity also very robust, we can say. So definitely you should do start work. Don't depend on any one person. But if we uh, talk about my experience, so I saw a lot of families that which younger person they are not able to do any work. They only depend on your family. And this they are daily chores and daily work home. So that time they go outside and all work, they finish homework. But this daily work every person and every home thing. So depend on you, what are you doing for on life on purpose. Because this work will never I think ever end. Life end but work not end, because daily work every person like vegetables bring, milk brings. And if we have kids any, so they will work like go to school, live, and left their side up downs daily. And other person is ill and suffering from any disease, so you will have to go with him to take medicine, see the doctor appointment. So lot of work every person at home. But depend on what are you thinking, what do you do, what do you do for your life, what is your purpose, what is your aim, and what is your target, which you wanna to achieve. That's only depend. And if you are not able to any work, so you are in danger and threatening your life also. And right now you are not realizing, because you get money, which money you have need. This money through you can't pass whole life. You can spend only little bit life, because this money through only you can buy. And you can like I think you are wasting your life, because you get only little bit money and you think like your whole life will pass. Doesn't. As soon as you grow, so that time you realize we should have done anything for on life purpose. Because that time you will not able to listen any person song. So I would like to suggest only start your life on like ability and capability and which have you. So that's purpose only this. And as I mentioned starting video, worst thing in the comfort zone, this is addiction.